So guys, do you have a partner or a friend that you want to co-parent with in Widgetable? But well, don't worry, because you're on the right video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can co-parent a pet in Widgetable. So actually, you can start co-parenting a pet even during its hatching phase. As you can see here, it's still hatching, but we can already, and all we need to do is just, I think it's just lagging for me. Let's just come back here after a while. I'm just gonna go through all of these random notes, and as you can see, the co-parenting feature just appeared. And the first thing that we need to do is to name our pet first. So I'm just gonna give the pet a name that maybe, I don't know, Harley, and then the friend just calls your friend. I mean, the pet calls your friend? I don't know. But yeah, in order to co-parent, just need to click on the invite button over here, and then I think it should give you a link. Yes, on this one. And then just give this link to your friend. Just copy the code, send them the link, and then let's pretend we're on your friend's profile or on your friend's app now. What they need to do is head over to the pets page, which we can do here by going back. Let me show you. And then up here on the top right, you see co-parenting, and then you just need to click on enter the co-parenting code if you're the friend, okay? Then just let them paste it and then just click enter, and they should be able to co-parent the pet with you. Make sure that this is done within 24 hours or else the code won't be able to work anymore. Yeah, that is how you can co-parent a pet in Widgetable. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.